Hello, this is Thomas, N1SPY, and today I have something that I picked up from the Orlando Hamcation, and this is a high-pass filter. I'm going to spend a couple minutes explaining what it is, and then I'm going to test how it works, so stay tuned. If you can picture the entire radio spectrum, you'll see that a high-pass filter will block everything below a certain frequency and let everything above it pass. So here I've pictured the three basic frequencies in order. There's medium wave, short wave, and VHF. Now, don't be confused by wavelength and frequency. And essentially what this high-pass filter will do is it will block everything from the AM band, which is on medium wave. It will block all of that and let everything on shortwave and VHF through. So why would a high-pass filter ever be necessary? Well, some hams live near very high-power AM stations, and these huge stations can affect and overload radios, which can create ghost signals and other unwanted things, so these come in handy in trying to block such things. So there are many ways to build a high-pass filter, but the most common and one of the most efficient ways is using a toroid. A toroid is a little donut shape of magnetic material with a conductor wound around it. It turns out that if you pass a signal through it, the toroid with the conductor will magnetize and demagnetize very, very fast. And depending on the material of the toroid, it can't demagnetize and remagnetize fast enough, and that can allow lower signals to not be able to pass through. But at the end, you add a capacitor, even though it all just boils down to the toroid. So here's how I'm going to test it. I'm going to test it in multiple radios that are able to receive the medium wave frequencies, and I'm going to keep the gain of the radios completely the same. And I'm going to test if we can hear the signals when the high-pass filter is connected in line or not. So hopefully you learned a little bit about high-pass filters. As you can see, they can be very, very helpful in the ham radio station, and everyone should be able to use one. So thank you for tuning in, and see you next time. 73 from Thomas, N1SPY.